Hey everyone, what's up? And welcome back to David's tutorial. And in this video, I will show you how to check your balance on your Charles Schwab account. Hey, so in order to see your balance in your Schwab account is you wanna log into your account, of course. Next is let's start with the website. So of course, what we did earlier is you want to log into your account, enter your credentials, and then go to your account or balances to view your available cash, market value of holdings, and net account value. So now you can see your balance in your Charles Schwab. Next is when you're using your mobile app. So log in with your Schwab login ID and password, and then from the home or account screen, you'll see your total account value, balance, cash and investment holding, and buying power for brokerage. So, if you want to do it via automated phone service, you can also do it. So, you want to call their automated phone line, which is this one, and follow the prompts to log in with your account plus PIN, and then you can check your balance, recent transaction, and position. So for the ATM or debit card holder, if you have a Schwab Bank Visa debit card, you can check your balance at ATMs. You can also see available bank account balance on their ATMs, of course. So by speaking with a Schwab representative is one of also the options. Just call this one right here and choose the option to speak with the representative. They can help you verify your balances, deposits, and trade with your Schwab or Charles Schwab account. And that is all on how to check your balance in Charles Schwab.